All right, this is, what do we got here, guys? Number, so I make sure I'm on the right thing here. Number 12. Okay. All right, we got hockey memorabilia buyback. Memorabilia box break number 12. All right, these are supposed to be revamped. Let's see how she rolls, boys and girls. Let's see how it rolls. Sounds good, L, on that. All right, 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. That I'm not sure yet, Brandon. Top box. I think Chronicles probably, bro. I think XR is probably going to be for Sunday. All right, 12 of box 12 will be one we're breaking, and 11 will be the other. Box 12. All right, guys, good luck. Here we go, number 12. Starting out with an 8. Oh, here we go, baby! For the LA Kings, Jose Wayno Gretzky for the Kings. Wayne Gretzky autograph for the Kings. What's up? Oh, okay, cool. Gotcha. Gotcha, L-Cat. Nice hit for the Haas. Haas Bobaz with the Foz. Looking like Shaw's. T-Tato Taz. Yo, Roz, what up, Boz? Next up, we got an autograph puck of Taylor Hall. Oh, he just left Buffalo. That would have been nice if he just left. I bet this was done before he bailed. Taylor Hall for the Buff. Boy, that's too bad because that would have been, I mean, still nice, don't get me wrong. But, yeah, I guarantee they got that before he bailed. Who's the, oh, you know what it is? It's Frameworth. Frameworth. Fantastic certification. I love Frameworth. All right, so there's the Buff, Taylor Hall. And next up, we got a nice jersey for the Coyotes. Clayton Keller for the Yotes. Fanatic certification. Clayton Keller. We'll take that Yotes jersey. Nothing wrong with some Keller. Fanatic certified. All right, we'll see who has these owners. Clayton Keller. Wayne Gretzky, and Taylor Hall. All right. I thought, I mean, I'll be honest. I thought Taylor Hall would have lasted. I thought he was going to last a little bit longer at Buffalo. I don't know what anyone else thought, but Phoenix has a hockey team. I mean, they have a good deal going on right now for season tickets. They're giving away a $15,000 gift card. I think they're giving away a 2021 Tesla. And, gosh, what was it? I don't know, like $5,000 to local restaurants if you get season tickets. It's not bad. People still aren't doing it, though, because, you know. All right, so let's look up these bad boys right now. So, hockey. Buffalo. Got Jason on the buff. Next up, oh, we know Kings is Hazy. Wayne Gretzky autograph. It's just base. All right, Bueno, Bobano, Toteno, and Coyotes. Coyotes is Gare Bear. Nice jersey, Gare Bear. If you want to sell this back, Gare, let me know. I'd be more than happy to buy this back off you. Put it into the AJ's collection for a refill in that break. Definitely be willing to do a trade or something. Or some break credit, whatnot. All right, guys, thank you for that. All right, I'm going to go put this out there as well. All right, guys, one box down on that.